Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write radical sign in Microsoft Excel. So if you want to write this sign, click on Insert, then Equation. Now here select this radical sign, cube root and fourth root, and also guys you have the shortcut to write it. Slash SQ RT, then press spacebar one time. Slash SQ RT, and that's it. So thanks for watching.